how to choose apps for Siri to read notifications on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Notifications. Then we go down to the Siri section and choose Announce Notifications. At the top here, make sure you turn on Announce Notifications. After that, we scroll down and go to the Announce Notifications From section. In here, there is a list of apps, so you can choose which apps can use the Siri read out notifications. So for example, if I want to turn on FaceTime, so I tap on the FaceTime and I tap on Announce Notifications to turn it on. And here I can choose whether it will read out time-sensitive notifications or all notifications. And here is a have Siri read out notifications from FaceTime. Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen for responses after reading notifications. And if you want to turn off this feature, so you tap on an app and then you turn off the announced notifications. And if this is turned off, then Siri will not read out notifications coming from FaceTime. So any apps that you want to allow announcement notifications, then you can simply tap on the app to switch it on. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.